In this video, you'll learn how to install Clawdbot step by step. By following this guide, you will successfully have Clawdbot up and running on your system. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. Once the browser is launched, navigate to Google by typing www.google.com in the address bar and pressing enter. This will direct you to the Google homepage where you can search for the necessary software. Next, in the Google search bar, type the word Git and press enter. This action will display a list of search results related to Git, which is essential for this installation process. You should recognize this list as it will contain links to the official Git website and various resources. After that, click on the link that mentions Git from the search results. This will take you to the official Git website where you can find the latest version for download. You will see options for various downloads and documentation related to Git. Following this, look for a section on the homepage that says latest source release and click on it. This will redirect you to the release page where you can find different versions of Git. Pay attention to the available options as they are important for the next steps. Next, locate the button that says Install for Windows and click on it. This action will direct you to a page with installation options specifically for Windows users. Make sure you are on the correct page to proceed. Once you are on the Windows installation page, click on Standalone Installer. This selection will allow you to download the standalone version of the Git installer. The download process might take a moment depending on your internet speed and the file size. After the installer file is downloaded, find the file in your downloads folder, click on Git for Windows/x64 setup to initiate the installation process. A setup wizard will appear shortly after you click the installer. Now type OpenClaw into the Google search bar and press enter. This search will help you find the appropriate resources to proceed with the Clawdbot installation. You should see relevant links related to OpenClaw, which is necessary for Clawdbot. Next, from the search results, click on the link that says OpenClaw Personal AI Assistant. This will take you to the OpenClaw website where you can find additional information and installation instructions. Once on the OpenClaw website, scroll down the page until you reach the section labeled Quick Start. This section provides a brief overview of how to get started with OpenClaw. Ensure you have located this section before moving on. Next, click on the option labeled One-Liner. This will provide you with a command that you need to run for installation. Make sure to read the instructions provided on this page for clarity. Following this, select the option for Windows. You'll be presented with a command that you need to copy for the installation process. This command is essential for setting up Clawdbot correctly. Now, you will see the code displayed on the screen. This code is io-uch//openclaw.tai/inst. Carefully copy this code as you will need it in the next steps. After copying the code, locate the copy code button and click on it. This action will ensure the command is copied to your clipboard for easy access during installation. Next, open Windows Explorer on your computer. You can do this by clicking on the folder icon located on your taskbar or by searching for File Explorer in the Start menu. Once Windows Explorer is open, navigate to the Downloads folder. This is where you will find the Git installer that you downloaded earlier. Confirm that the file is present before proceeding. Now, proceed to install Git by double-clicking on the installer file. Follow the prompts in the installation wizard to complete the setup. Depending on your system and settings, this may take a few minutes. After Git is installed, you will need to open the Start menu by clicking on the Windows icon. In the search bar, type Windows PowerShell and wait for the search results to populate. Once the search results appear, right-click on Windows PowerShell and select the option Run as Administrator. This is necessary to ensure the command you will run has the appropriate permissions. Now, in the PowerShell window, type or paste the command that you copied earlier. Make sure to double-check that the command is correct before executing it. After entering the command, press Enter to run it. The installation process for OpenClaw will begin. Be patient as this may take some time depending on your system's performance. Finally, once the installation is complete, you should receive a confirmation message indicating that OpenClaw has been installed without issues. Ensure that there are no error messages before closing the PowerShell window. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.